Oh, hello! In Hollywood's golden age, when it came to makeup, only one name was on the lips of the silver screen stars. That name was Mr. Max Factor. He was known for creating the signature looks of the era's most famous icons, such as Ava Gardner, Jean Harlow, Judy Garland, and Joan Crawford. The products he created for the movie industry and his Hollywood clients earned him an Oscar, but his guiding philosophy was that any woman could be glamorous given the right tools and makeup artistry skills. He invented this powder in 1953 and is still available today with the same formula. And it comes in 11 different shades.